Hi everyone. Now let's talk about trunc method. How we can use trunc method when we are dealing with decimal values. Now take an example here. So what I'm trying to do here, I'm just taking 11.12345 and S2 equal to and 11.0 and S3 will be 11.123, whatever the values if you want, and you can take it S4 equal to 11 by 3. So these are the values I have taken. Then I'm just taking S1 value is, so I'm just taking here S1 and print S2 value is. So you take here S2, the values I'm just displaying here, that's it. And S3 value is, then you take here S3 and print S4 value is. So these are the values I'm displaying, that variables directly. So these are the small s1 and then this will be s2. So these are the values we have. When we execute, what will happen? Let's see. S1 value will be like this, S2 value, S3 value and S4 value. So this is just directly I'm just these variables I am calling in print method or print function, just displaying the values. Now how we can use if we add trunc method? So how will be, you can use here using trunc. Now let's see. Take same values here. Now what you need to do here, let's see. Then if you want, you can display as it is, print using trunc method. So now execute here. Now what you need to do here, you can take math dot, okay. So function will be like this, math dot trunc function and then s1 like this. So you can use like this instead of this. So what we need to do here, we are using math module. From there we are picking the function. So s1 and s2 and then s3 and then s4. So when we execute now, understand here, so name math is not defined. This is a common error that where we can get it. We need to import the module. Math is a module name. We need to import the module if you want to use in instance, Jupyter instance. So wherever Python is library based technology, whenever you want to work in using any module, first you need to import that module. How you can import? Import then module name, whatever the module that is. Import math. Now take same thing and then copy here. Just execute. So name math has no attribute. So trunc will be the, I think, spell mistake here. Let us understand. Okay. So these are, now what we need to do, same trunc function is available in math module. Now what will happen when we are using trunc method? You can say all the decimal whatever the value you are getting, those values will be erased without changing anything. See now, S1 value 11, S2 value will be 11, and S3 will be 11, like, and 11.3, that is equal to 3 3s are like this, it will come. So 3 point something will come, only 3 will be there. So decimal values will be erased when we are using trunc method. For example, we have precision and scale. Precision will be integer value, scale will be decimal values. The scale point of it is not accepting anything. Even if you are getting like 11.76, actually it should come 11.8, but in trunc it won't care about this thing. So all the operations will be arranged. We have another functions, round function, then I will see the later, then it will add up with one value like that. But trunc will be terminate all the things, like it is not caring about at all decimal values, only integer values only it will accept. So this is all about trunc method. So when you don't need any decimal values, for example, if you want to transfer, salary will be 64,007.80. So we don't need to take care of this thing, right? When you are transferring the salary, so we will be transferring these integer values. In that case, we will be using trunc method. So there are a lot of cases will be there where we can use trunc, but trunc method is very important in Python, especially in the dates and using minutes and those things. We will be using trunc method. So this is all about trunc method, and thank you and see you in the next class.